Welcome ulit sa aking channel! If bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, welcome, welcome! So, for today's video guys, I'm gonna share it with you the items that I purchased Shein. So, if you want to know what are the items, please stay tuned and finish the entire video till the end. So, without any further ado, let's start guys! So, this is it. Yay! It's packaged from Shein. I'm excited! Ito na siya guys, there are 2 boxes. So let's see what's inside. It's a ballerina shoes or flat shoes that you can match it any tops or any clothes that you want to wear, because this is a black flat shoes and you can go for it for errands, and yung hindi ka na mag-think kung anong i-pair mo kasi black na kulay siya guys. So perfect for any tops, any clothes you will wear, at saka, and do a long walk for this. So, this is the first item that we open for the first box. Another box! Da-da-da! So, let's see. Medyo ano lang yung box niya. Siguro yung pagka ano ng courier. Hindi siya proper. Then, let's check what's inside. Another footwear din siya guys. Then my desktop. Ito siya guys. Ito pa yung sa loob niya guys. So yes. Ito siya guys. Let's see. Ta-da! It's one of my favorite purchase from Shein. So, parang matibay siya guys. Lightweight. Then, yung kulay niya is yung pagka-apricot or beige. Something like that. Then, ito yung lock niya. You can adjust it here guys kung medyo malaki or maliit. So, here guys. Tada! Ganda niya. I can wear it at any color of the top. Yung right side ng other pair. You can go for any kind of occasion this shoe. If you love the both, then just let me know. Or you can choose either kung anong mas maganda, yung bet nyo, yung black ba or yung ito. That's all for the items that I purchased from Shein, and I hope that you like it and choose your bet. All for today's video. And guys, before I forgot, I would like to thank for my old and new subscribers for always tuning in, guys, that hindi kayo nagsasawa since I start uploading my video until this year, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I really do appreciate it, every single one of you. You finished the entire video but you haven't subscribed yet. I really do appreciate it if you do, guys. Love you all. Stay safe and God bless us. Hope to see you all for my next video. Bye for now, guys.